morning, ma'am. My name is Ansh Pandita. I am in class 4C. My topic is puppet show on story of Fox and the Crow. One day, Crow was very hungry. He found a piece of cheese. He sat on branch of tree. A fox saw the crow. He was hungry too. He wanted that cheese. He spoke to the crow. Oh crow, your eyes so bright. Your feathers are glossy. You may have sweet voice. Can I hear you sing? The crow felt proud of him. When he opened his mouth, piece of cheese fell down. Fox took cheese. Fox gave advice. Do not touch flatter.